Here are 5 devices that will improve your life by making it simpler, more enjoyable, and perhaps even a little bit cooler, ranging from the impossible to the wonderful. You'll want to purchase each of these, so have your wallets ready. Number 1. Lens Case. Looking for a do-it-all photography lens kit to unleash your creativity for your iPhone 13? Lens Case is a 5-in-1 carbon fiber phone case that combines macro lenses, telephoto lens, CPL filter, and fisheye lens to give your iPhone DSLR camera capabilities. Lens Case enables iPhone 13 users to capture all the beautiful details of life with the precision focus for macro and more, elevating your iPhone photography with stunning and captivating images. Compared with the onboard iPhone 13 macro lens, the Lens Case 10x macro lens delivers sharper and brighter images for nature shots and more. Capture up to 30x macro photos using iPhone 13 Pro's telephoto camera, allowing you to see more details than ever before without causing blur and distortion around the edges. Give your phone polarized sunglasses. Have you ever struggled with unwanted light streaks that blur the subject of your shot? The Lens Case CPL filter helps to suppress surface glare for dynamic landscape photography with darker skies. Fisheye lens helps you capture creative, fun images with a 5x ultra-wide field of view. The extreme curvature of the scene being recorded is highly stylized, adding a unique perspective to your iPhone photography. Telephoto lens gives you 2x optical magnification, providing perfect images for travel, urban, and landscape photography. Number 2. PodChain Pro. The new and innovative way to store and charge your earbuds. You'll always know exactly where they are. It's a beautiful chain that easily detaches or attaches the AirPods with a secure magnet. You could either wear it wirelessly on your ear or attach it with the chain to hold it tight. It's more than a trend, it's a necessity. Walking through the city, doing sport, or at work, the PodChain Pro is designed to never leave you alone. It extends your battery life up to 16 hours more. To feel the beat as long as you want, you can handle your entire day just with the PodChain Pro and the AirPods, without running the risk of losing your AirPods. They will just stay around your neck and make you look cool. You don't need to carry around the storage case all the time or fumble through the bags and pockets to dig it out when the phone rings. You can charge and use it at the same time. The design of PodChain Pro is simple yet trendy. The chain is made of a high-quality rope to braid together in fresh, vivid, and trendy colors. Number 3. Khadas Tea. Listen to high-definition music and lossless streaming audio directly from your iPhone or Android smartphone. The Khadas Tea's chassis is made of CNC machined aluminum and is available in blue or gray. It's almost the same size as a credit card. It weighs merely 73.5 grams, so it's super easy to carry around. You can, of course, just carry the tea in a pocket or bag. There are a total of 3 buttons on the device for playback controls, plus 2 combination button modes. You can choose whether the 2 buttons on the left side control the volume or next track or previous track function. There are 2 ways to connect the Tea to your phone. You can connect via Bluetooth or by using a USB to Lightning or USB to USB cable. Furthermore, you can easily connect the Tea to a laptop or tablet as a USB DAC using the included cables. The Khadas Tea also has its own microphones built in, so you can use it to make calls, but only when connected via Bluetooth. The internal 1160 mAh battery can provide up to 8 hours of playback. Number 4. Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton Horizon Light-Up Speaker, which looks less like either a gadget or a piece of high fashion, and more like an artifact of untold cosmic power from the next Marvel movie. It has a distinct spinning top-shaped design that allows the listener to aim the sound in a specific direction by laying it on its side or enjoy 360 audio by setting it on the included stand. A ring around the top subwoofer and letters around the sides light up in response to the music. A leather strap makes it easy to carry, and built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi support most popular wireless streaming protocols. Constructed from metal and noble leather, and adorned with the house's emblematic signatures, the speaker is a piece of art that will seamlessly blend into the home surroundings. Once in use, the colorful light show, which is synchronized to the beat and showcases a digital interpretation of the iconic monogram flower, becomes a fun focal point. A high-quality 360-degree sound and wireless connectivity, along with a removable black leather wrist strap and a travel pouch, make it the ideal travel companion. and its elegant and discreet design is perfectly in tune with Louis Vuitton's spirit of travel. Number 5. Side Kit Modular. Time to stop junking items inside your pockets, on top of a wallet, in between car keys, or under your phone. Something modern, neat, and sleek has arrived to carry your pocket essentials in one simple location. The Side Kit is the first of its kind modular everyday carry built to hold your keys, cards, fobs, bills, and a lot more. Now your mints and gum also have a home. Carry the items your wallet can't while keeping your routine free of clutter. The Side Kit is sized just right to maximize your storage potential while keeping bulk to a minimum. Even in a minimalist world, we still carry more than just cards. At least now, you can do it with style. The Side Kit Everyday Carry is sized around the items you already carry. Smaller than the length of larger smartphones, the same thickness in the center as a traditional wallet, and about the same thickness as earbud cases. But endless curves and a unique design allow the Side Kit to smoothly enter and exit pockets or storage areas. Made from high-grade 100% recyclable polycarbonate, the Side Kit is constructed from the same materials we use to protect our phones and computers, making it stronger and more durable than standard wallets and fabric-based products. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, you liked our video. If you did, kindly click like and subscribe to our channel. Every day we add new videos. Up until then, bye.